We are doing Lab 76 next, speed and collisions. I'm going to release the cart from notch A. It's going to hit the block. You are to make a prediction of what you think will happen on your lab sheet. Here we go. The block moved. I'm going to zoom in so that you can make your reading. And you can pause the video if you need to. We're going to do a second trial from notch A again. Trial 2. Going to reset, do a third trial. Take your measurement. Fourth trial. Take your measurement. And the fifth and final trial from notch A. There you go. Remember, record to the nearest tenth of a centimeter. Okay. So next what we're going to do is we're going to release the cart from notch B. And notch B is slightly lower than notch A. So make your prediction on your lab sheet what you think will happen to the block. So in other words, do you think it will go farther or do you think it will not go as far? And we're going to do 5 trials on this as well. Here we go. Okay, that was trial 1. I'm going to zoom in here for you so that you can record your measurement. Trial 2 coming up. Okay, record your measurement. Pause if you need to. Reset. Trial 3. Trial 4. And trial 5. There we go. We are headed to the lowest point on our ramp, which is notch C, right down here. Write down your prediction of what you think will happen to this block once it is hit by the cart. Here we go. Right. Zoom in so you can take your measurement as well as you can. Okay, trial 2 from notch C. Okay, trial 3 from notch C. Trial 4. And trial 5. There you go. Now you have all the data you need to complete your calculations and ask your teacher for help if you need it.